Okay, I'm opening our Gmail integration in the right panel. And I'm going to open this new email and view it larger. Okay, so our CEO's interview has been confirmed for Tuesday, and they sent some confirmed questions. So I'm going to drop this email into the channel, and I'm going to notify the channel that the interview has been confirmed for Tuesday. Okay, confirmed for Tuesday. Good. Now I'm going to convert to new task, and I'm going to select both of these messages to convert. And then I'll select my project and title it CEO interview and convert. Now I'll move to task. And here I'm going to create a checklist with those confirmed questions. So over here, I'm assigning and tagging my correct tags. And then I'm going to set up the timeline for our Tuesday interview.